My name is Rice. This is a channel where we talk about Bitcoin and other things surrounding the cryptocurrency space. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I'm dropping new content. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. All right, let's go ahead and get right into it, guys. So yesterday, Bitcoin dropped to about 42,000 due to some things in China. There's a little bit of trouble going on in China, as usual. You know, it's always crazy news coming out of China. But pretty much their stock market started to crash. That affected the U.S. stock market, and that eventually spilled over into the crypto market. So let's go ahead and talk about this. So pretty much Evergrande, if you Google Evergrande, it'll explain all this too, because it's everywhere. Like, that's the biggest headline right now. Evergrande, which is the largest property manager in Asia, defaulted on their debt of $300 billion. $300 billion. And that caused widespread panic over in Asia, and just Chinese stocks just started to plummet. And the reason why is because if the largest property manager in Asia can't pay their debt, then how can these other companies? And it just caused widespread panic. People began to panic sell in the crypto market. All logic just went out the window. I think there was fear that we may go through the market crash of March of last year, and we remember how that was. That was pretty crazy. And what's funny about it is I was making a video before this happened to let you guys know it's going to be a red September, meaning we're probably going to close in the red for Bitcoin. Altcoin's been killing it this month, but historically, Bitcoin doesn't perform well in September. It's historically our worst month, so it was expected to be, to underperform. In 2013, it didn't do too well in September, and 2017 either, but the rest of Q4, Bitcoin took off. I think it was up like 300% in Q4 in both 2013 and 2017, if I'm not mistaken. So this Evergrande event is definitely a black swan event for sure. Nobody foresaw this happening, but it's just causing all kinds of widespread panic in all markets globally, not just crypto. That's literally what's driving the price down right now. Is just human emotion. Fear is what's causing all this. So now is not the time to be panic selling, guys. You want to be panic buying, if anything. Like, okay, like I said, it dropped to 42K. At the time of me making this video, I think we're at like 39K. Like, you don't want to miss an opportunity like that, guys. You don't want that to go by, and then when the price goes up, you end up buying back in at a higher price. You want to take advantage of this. Buy the freaking dip. Yeah, don't get caught up in, don't get swept up in the FUD of all this. I'm seeing all kinds of I've never seen news about exchanges and all these companies being hacked so much. Like, it's all over the place. So they're definitely trying to drive the price down. They're taking advantage of this what's going on over in China. But don't like I said, don't get caught up in it. Still use logic. Okay, the fundamentals for Bitcoin has not changed. The technicals still look, before this happened was still looking good. It's all just fear. Literally, it's just fear that's causing this. When people, I guess, are scared they're going to lose their money, all logic just goes out the window. So, like I said, man, keep stacking those sats. Take advantage of this. Buy the dip, guys. We don't know if we're going to see Bitcoin at this price again. Like, you saw my previous video, like, they have $100,000, $200,000 price predictions by the end of the year. Okay, I guarantee you we're gonna probably get news like of crazy of companies buying crazy amounts of Bitcoin during this dip. The institutions and all that. Okay, El Salvador, for example, the president of El Salvador, Bukele, said they bought another 150 Bitcoin, guys. That means El Salvador owns about 700 Bitcoin right now. I know that doesn't sound like a lot. That's over $30 million, man. A country owns over $30 million of Bitcoin. Like, that's insane. Just wrap your head around that. Just think about that. Don't get caught up in this FUD, man. There's a country, and El Salvador is a small country, so you can just imagine what these other countries and these other companies and institutions and the rich elite are doing during this dip. They're probably going all in with this, honestly. So, like I said, don't get caught up in the fear and the human emotion that's driving the price down, and it's affecting all markets. The stock market is taking a hit. It's not just Bitcoin. I'll be so glad when Bitcoin is sustainable and it can stand on its own and not be affected by things that are going on over in China. The miners are already gone, so hopefully that'll happen one day. But take advantage of this opportunity, guys. Buy the freaking dip. Keep stacking those sats. Gosh, man, because like you don't want to panic sell now and then have to buy back in and regret it later. But I'm gonna keep this video short and sweet. Like I said, hit that notification bell so you know when I'm dropping content, because I know I'm random. Keep stacking sats and be safe out there. Hit you up later.